Welcome back to another vlog. Your girl is back in La Union. And this time,
Back in the?
La Union. Diba? I-introduce ko pa lang, ini-introduce niya na yung sarili niya.
Ulit.
Interject siya ng interject. Hindi! Oh, magpakilala ka na. I'm with my friend, Sasha. Grabing test of friendship ang nangyari today.
From the start.
So right now, nandito na kami sa Charlie's Hangar. This is a dorm type room. Pero right now, wala kaming roomies. Kami dalawa lang, which is... Tapos masakay kami ng tricycle. In my mind, I was like, hindi ako papayag na masascam ako ng tricycle driver. So nag-research ako, magkano na ba ang singilan ngayon ng tricycle. So, in my head, I was like, okay, 100 pesos for the both of us from the station to the hostel. More than enough na yun. Tapos, apparently, I was wrong. Na-scam namin. Kami ang nag-scam sa tricycle driver. Apparently, 75 pesos pala per person. I'm so sorry to the kuya. Kaya pala he looked so disappointed. He was looking at his 100 peso and he was like, eto na yun. Ayun, pagdating namin dito, we just settled down. Wala nang palit-palit, wala nang ligo-ligo. We went out kasi we were hungry. Palabas na kami. We were like, let's get ice cream, cold dessert, something. Apparently, naiwan niya yung bag niya. At hindi lang yung basta-basta bag! Anong laman? Anong laman ng bag mo? Sabihin mo.
Underwear. Okay lang, kaya naman.
Nandun pala. At hindi kasi ang issue kasi doon, hindi naman niya bag yun. Bag ng mama niya yun.
Mama, if you see this, it's all a lie.
So we were like, okay, para na to. Tinignan namin yung mga website and mga Facebook page ng Partas. Try to call and get a hold of the station. Pero wala nagwo-work doon. So, shout out, Partas. Please update your contact details. Panic kami. After eating the ice cream, saka na kami nag-tricycle pabalik na naman ng station. And, ayun nga. So, natawagan yung conductor. Na-locate yung bag and all. Pagbalik namin, nag-dinner muna kami. We had ramen. It was good.
Pero kay Mark Lee talaga ako sobrang tamang-tama.
Kasi Mark Lee. Pero in fairness, feel ko masarap.
Tapos after we were like, okay, let's go. Let's get this bag. Literally. It's about time. It's about time for this bag and for my friend to be reunited. Ayan, nakuha na namin yung bag niya.
Ikaw, inaway ko to, buong first day natin! Without you!
Now, we're gonna watch something on Netflix for downtime.
Abominable tramp. Perhaps you should get a wardrobe, you abominable twat.
Sorry, naririnig yung meeting ni Sasha.
Wala na, tinanggal ko na. Pwede na tayo, no?
10/10 daw, guys. Sorry, hindi ka na-record kanina. But it's a 10. Mukha rin naman. Mukha rin naman siyang 10/10. Ay, nako ka.
Fresh.
Sarap. We are in Seabuds in La Union right now. And Ayun nga eh, that's the problem. Kailangan namin makaharap ng new friends. Pero wala pa rin. That's why... Okay, 11:44 na. Anong pinagsasasabi mong kakagising na natin? Kanina pa tayo gising. So, we're thinking.
Tama yan, kuya. Interrupt her.
Pupunta na lang kami sa cafe para maghanap ng friends doon. The thing is, baka may makita tayo, pero hindi naman natin kausapin. So,
That's what's gonna happen.
every 2 hours, guys. Don't forget. Okay. I see. Doon pa. No. Thank you. Okay, so day 2, officially, actually hindi. Wala pa tayong 24 hours dito sa MU. How is it so far?
It's been okay because of the breakfast this morning. The breakfast was so good.
Real.
Yung pinag-stay din namin, okay naman siya. Plus the view, guys, like how we view.
Slay.
Like not to get better just because of my bag. The bag that was lost. Medyo na-set behind kami. Tapos wala pa kaming friends. Pero, that's coming.
That's
I
coming.
feel friend coming along.
So, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Because muntik na naman ako ma-scam lang 500 pesos by another tricycle driver. So dati, na-scam na ako. Willingly, we gave in. Ito, Ate Ella was here. She was like, huh?
What if yung classmates natin mamaya may car tapos makisabay tayo?
Okay, if they're friends.
If friends natin.
Justin and your pack of friends na makakasabay namin, either we'll love you or we hate you. Bakit naman hate?
Oo eh. Yan ka na naman. Hindi mo pa nami-meet. Nag-assume ka na naman. Gusto mo i-try yun?
Anong I don't want? I-try mo.
Sana mahulog.
Oo, di ba?
Paano ka aalis ngayon?
Uy, ang ganda ng view dito. Guys, I recommend.
Bakit you're so stiff?
Kasi
Wala na.
hindi naman yun nadidiscuss.
New friends.
Parang dito siya napupunta. 1, 2, 3. Ito po ma'am. Yan po, open lang po natin yung play mo. Ikaw ma'am, nakalimutan mo natin yung pangalan ng play na yan.
Ano yung play na? Red play?
Lagay nyo lang sa baba ma'am. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya. Yan.
Ganun na lang kuya, bigla yung decision.
Yan.
Biglang
magkakaroon na kami. Yan. Straight na ay pa-circle ma'am. Importante yung nasa... Yan. Tak-tak nyo lang siya ng twice. O di kaya moist lang. Tapos dikit natin siya dito sa side. Steady lang po. Yan. Tapos yung ibang kamay, hawak po kayo sa potter's wheel. Tapos paikot po sa atin papunta yung... Yan. Tama po.
Oh no, kuya.
Kaya yan ma'am.
Me and my long nail.
Yan. Sige ma'am. Gawa lang tayo ng hole ma'am. Kalahati. Itusok nyo lang ma'am. Diretso
Habang
dapat.
iniikot.
Oo, kunti lang ma'am. Pakunti-kunti. Sige ma'am, itusok mo lang.
Like, ganun lang.
Like, itusok nyo talaga.
Okay, oh.
Yan. Sige ma'am, tusok mo pa. Yan, sige po ma'am. Sige, habang ipaikutin mo siya ma'am. Okay lang yan ma'am. Yan, tas i-ganon mo yung wait lang ma'am, tayo ganon. Bali, ganito, taas mo ko siya konti. Gagawa ko ng huli niya muna para hindi ka meron.
Katela lang talaga ang ano sa atin.
Yan, bali ganito ma'am. Yung thumb mo yung gamitin mong pang press up. Tas yung apat.
Ano pala name mo kuya?
Jason po. Parang hindi ko nasabi kanina ma'am ah.
Lagot ka. Sorry. Suddenly, ayoko ng guhitan. Parang nasira.
Ako ba mag-bike? Next time, try naman natin sa Lily.
Egg.
Ay, parang nag-crack na eh.
Normal egg.
Kuya, sinira mo yung mood. Okay, wait lang. Parang nandito yung mga surfer. I'm a little intimidated. So, true enough, dumami na nga yung mga tao ngayon. They're really here. Ay! Uy, nagulat siya sa'yo.
Sorry, do.
He looks so offended.
So, the whole time, ang ginagawa lang namin talaga sa LU is just people watching and people judging. Or don't rewind that. Perfect. We're gonna have my chicken chops. And then you have sino. Dalawang eggs.
Okay. Plan the day with us. Okay.
Wake up 8:30.
Yes. Swim. Tapos,
Silong.
breakfast sa silong.
And then,
Sea buds for dessert.
ay, hindi natin ma-check kung gusto natin yung sea bugs na ano.
Na
Shirt. After ng swim,
daan
na
muna tayo ng
Okay,
sea
rewind,
buds.
rewind.
Okay. Balik muna tayo dito, refresh, change up, tapos saka tayo punta ng clean beach.
Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out.
Yeah, after how many minutes of us talking?
Biglang let's figure it out. Basta solid na yung morning plans. Ang medyo iffy pa tayo is yung sa afternoon plans. Kasi
Hindi natin alam kung nasan yung vibe eh.
Yung morning plans natin, again, nakasalalay kung gigising ba tayo.
Gigising tayo. Gigising tayo.
But if you let her see that man say, look, sure that you're not that shy.
This scene feels like what I once saw on the street. I searched for you.
Some things don't work and that's the way love goes. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. It's over now, we're talking.
Morning debrief. We almost were literally harassed. Hoy!
Naka-OA. Pero ganito, 7 a.m. na isip na ko kasi may knock. Nung una, hindi pa ako sure. I was like, ay, baka panaligid ko na. So, tulog ako ulit. But the knocks kept coming.
Yeah.
So, I was like, eto na nga yung roommates na aming kinatatakot. So, I message. Sino ba nag-message? Ako o ikaw?
Ako?
Ikaw? Parang nag-message ako. Parang, sabi, ay hindi, nagsalita ako. Sabi ko, saan may kaya ako? And you were like, wag mong buksan.
Yeah.
As you should.
Yeah.
Don't open it up for strangers kasi if it's their room, they would have the key.
Yes.
So, apparently, they have the key. It's just that naka-double lock.
Which hindi din naman namin kasalanan kasi hindi din naman kami nasabihan.
So, ayun. I don't know if we're gonna meet them kasi we requested to be transferred.
Another room. Hey, hindi kami high maintenance by the way. Just wanna say na we really requested for an all-girls room.
Yes,
For
that was the
safety
request.
na rin.
Oo.
So,
We'll see how the day goes and if we ever meet them sa room, Eddie will say, oh, like that.
and we'll say sorry for the double.
Nakatawa naman siya. Parang hindi ka naman tumatawa.
Ano ba? Gusto ko bang mag-ha-ha-ha na lang ako dito?
Napaka-sinungaling. Kung ano na naman sinasabi mo.
Yung Ella here is different. Ella and Ellie, you don't know her.
Okay, so ano na yung P?
How did they do that? Come on, understand.
Grabe naman yung kape dito sa Little Cat. Guys, I recommend.
After sabihin 10 minutes ago, ang lakas.
We recommend it. May ka pa na yun. Hindi naman tayo kilala niyan.
Update, babalik na kami ngayon ng hostel kasi hindi kami maka-decide ng bibilhin. Hindi maka-decide na tayo. Wala silang size. So in the end, wala kami bibilhin. Tapos si Ate parang, okay lang. Sorry, I was
You buy the smoothie kasi there's something like that.
Ang daming sinasabi nito. O sige. Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Nandun pa yung sun. Wala pa siya dito. So, madami pa tayong time. Basically, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Wow!
1 hour and 32 to be
Galing
exact.
ah.
So, we're going back to the hotel muna and then we'll change and then we'll go to Queen Beach.
Tingnan mo, may bata.
Wala silang nakita.
Kulit.
Wala.
Ang kulit. Kita nyo to? Kita nyo to?
Walang nakita.
Tryna make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Tryna let go away, can't keep us holding me. Choose wise, what a will pick up the fun of me. Oh, I'm with my heart, I'm feeling it slow. Still wanna try, still believing.
Hi guys! So we are back in our hostel and we are going to make our dinner, which is pancit canton and egg. Habang pumaparty ang aming mga kasama dito sa hostel, kami naman ay nagluluto ng aming favorite. So that's pancit cantons. My artiness is not a test. Anything you want.
Binuksan ko na yan, ah.
Breakfast by the shore.
Talaga ang end of the trip talaga. Ito na lang yung breakfast.
Iba talaga. Dahil nagulat kami sa gastos namin. 3-in-1 coffee. Diba? Wala El Union Brew. We only know Nescafe 3-in-1.
Hindi tayo nag-El
Hindi natin
Union.
na-try. This is the end of trip vibes.
Nakatunga kakakabala.
Tama. Tapos kagabi, pansit kanto na lang kami. Kami pa yung nagluto.
Pero kasi, granted, binusta din naman.
Okay, dapat kasama sa breakfast namin, aside from spread, dapat may sausage kami.
Vienna sauce.
For protein. Nagulat kami.
From Vienna sauce.
Ang isang can dito ha, ay 120.
6.
126.
May nahanap pa rin parang swimming pool doon, ma'am. Walang bato, buhangin lang. Saan yun? Hindi natin nakita yun.
Hindi talaga ng mga tita.
I know.
Kita yung kasama ng tita and they're like, always discovering things na we've been here for a few days. Hindi namin alam.
Dami na discover.
But then, I would say, even after all that,
All what?
all of the things that happened to us,
Alam mo naman. Nakawat tayo.
babalikan talaga.
For real.
Babalikan.
For real. Hindi ko alam kung kamalan ba talaga ni Ate Alak. Pero yung vibe sa Kalim Beach ng gabi versus dito, mas nag-vibe pa dito.
Mas may vibe dito, guys.
No joke. Parang talagang mas may vibe pa dito.